valued customer secrets, like the one who eats all the hush puppies before he gets home with takeout.
Oh, man.
Don't worry, your secret's safe with us. Score huge points with family and friends. Pick up some Moore's Barbecue for your tailgating fun. Moore's Old Time Barbecue, where families come together. If it's not Moore's, it's less.
Parental involvement is the key to your child's success at school. This is Mark Jewell, President of the North Carolina Association of Educators. Whether it's volunteering at school, communicating with teachers on a regular basis, or helping with homework, we know that parental involvement is crucially important. So get involved. Working together, parents and educators can make this a great school year for every student in North Carolina.
A message from the North Carolina Association of Educators.
Come to the Home Depot for a whole new take on tile. A surprising selection of the trends you want and prices you'll love. Retile a backsplash or a fireplace. Rethink a bath or a patio. Walls, floors, outdoors or indoors, tile is going places at the Home Depot. Come see where it takes you. Nobody beats our prices, guaranteed, on tile, on anything. The Home Depot. More safe, more doable.
North Carolina, southeastern
This guy really needs to switch to U.S. Cellular Prepaid today.
Ow!
Not just for the free smartphone that he can get for a limited time, but for a strong signal too, so he can stop getting lost with wireless. Switch to U.S. Cellular Prepaid right now. Get a free smartphone and a strong signal at work, home,
flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without
New
shelter.
$40 Simple Connect prepaid plan and qualifying smartphone activation required. Free via $50 promo card while supplies last. Other restrictions apply.
Lee Hyundai of Goldsboro has a family of Hyundai stores offering you the best selection in the Carolinas. And with a family of SUVs, the Kona, Tucson, Santa Fe, and Santa Fe XL, you get a selection from compact to full-size 7-passenger. And thanks to Lee Hyundai customers, we're the largest volume Hyundai stores in the Carolinas for Hyundai regional sales for 2017 and thus far in 2018. Lee Hyundai's SUV volume pricing strategy is paying off. But the big winner is the customer. Right now, take your pick of a 2018 Kona SEL or Tucson SE at $19,800, or choose the 2018 Santa Fe XL 7-passenger and save.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 09:15 p.m.
A tornado warning has been issued for Hyde County and Dare County, effective until 9:19 p.m.
I used to post to job boards that sent me tons of resumes.
Just to find a few people who were right for my job.
That old process was not smart.
Then I went to ZipRecruiter.
Its technology scans resumes for me to find the right people.
And actively invites them to apply. So I get qualified candidates fast. Smart.
See why ZipRecruiter is rated #1 by employers in the U.S. Try it now for free at ZipRecruiter.com/try. That's ZipRecruiter.com/try. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. Based on Trustpilot rating and hiring sites with over 1,000 reviews.
Lee Hyundai of Goldsboro has a family of Hyundai stores offering you the best selection in the Carolinas. And with a family of SUVs, the Kona, Tucson, Santa Fe, and Santa Fe XL, you get a selection from compact to full-size 7-passenger. And thanks to Lee Hyundai customers, we're the largest volume Hyundai stores in the Carolinas for Hyundai regional sales for 2017 and thus far in 2018. Lee Hyundai's SUV volume pricing strategy is paying off. But the big winner is the customer. Right now, take your pick of a 2018 Kona SEL or Tucson SE at $19,800, or choose the 2018 Santa Fe XL 7-passenger and save over $5,600.